This video is about booking a smear test. It is for women with learning disabilities, autistic women and their support.
A smear test is sometimes called a cervical screening. This video is all about booking a smear test. It's for women with learning disabilities, autistic women and their support. A smear test is an important body exam for women aged 25 to 64. It checks to see if your cervix is healthy. Your cervix is inside your body at the top of your vagina. A smear test looks for a virus called human papillomavirus, or HPV. The virus can live in your body and you might not know you have it. Most people will get it at some point. The virus can create changes in your cervix that might cause cancer. If anything is wrong, then a smear test will let you know so you can get the treatment you need. Just before you're 25 years old, you'll get a letter asking you to book a smear test. You'll know it's an invite to your smear test because it will have this picture on the front. It's very important that you open the letter. The letter has important information about the smear test to help you decide if you would like to have one. There's a link about how to book your appointment. Try to book your appointment as soon as you get the letter. It's up to you to choose if you want to have a smear test. There are some things you can do that might help you to make that choice. You can read the letter with your friends, family or support. Speak to a nurse and ask any questions you have about the smear test. You could ask your GP if you could visit the room where your smear test will happen and see the equipment before your appointment. You can ask that the person who does the smear test is a female. You can't have your smear test if you're on your period. If you're pregnant, you might be asked to book your smear test appointment after giving birth. Ask your practice nurse or GP if you're not sure. Book your appointment by ringing your GP practice.
Hello, Willow Surgery.
Hiya, I want to book my smear test appointment.
Okay, did you get a letter asking you to book?
I did.
You did, okay, great. Can I just take your name and date of birth, please?
Yeah, it's Anna Jenkins, 19th of the 6th, 1992.
Okay, Anna, let's see when we can book you in for. Okay, I've got an appointment on October 3rd at 10 AM.
Would I be able to have an afternoon appointment, please?
Okay, yes, I can do 2 PM if that's better.
Yeah, that's fine, thank you.
Great, okay. Is there anything we can do to make you feel comfortable on the day?
Would I be able to bring a friend?
Okay, yeah, that's no problem. And would you like a longer appointment to give you a bit more time?
Yeah, could you have a double appointment, please?
You would, okay, great. So when you come to your smear test, you can bring anything that makes you feel comfortable. So some people like to bring music and earphones or a blanket to put over their legs.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, and do you have a health and care passport you can bring with you?
I do.
Brilliant. Okay, Anna, I've booked you in for your appointment at 2 PM on October 3rd. Do you have any questions at all?
No, that's fine.
Okay, well, if you do think of any questions, please do give us a call and I'll send you a text to remind you about your appointment in a couple of days before, all right?
Thank you.
Okay, all right, we'll see you then. Bye-bye now.
You can also ask someone to help you book the appointment or ring the GP for you. Make sure you write down the date and time of your smear test. Once you have your smear test booked, it's time to get ready for your appointment. You can watch our video Getting Ready for Your Smear Test for tips on how to feel relaxed and prepared.